Hey, Dan Meyer here, and today we're going to talk about the 3 I's of analytics. So basically, I break down the entire process of analyzing data into 3 phases. The first one is really identifying your data, figuring out what the data you need is to answer questions and where is it and how do you get it and bring it into your analysis. So say, for example, you're trying to figure out which social media platform is the one you should invest the most in. And you want to go out and look at your current follower count. A number of people on Facebook and LinkedIn and TikTok and IG, and you want to see which one's got the most, people following what you do. That's a simple thing. You go out there and you look at the numbers and you identify them as this is the most important one. That's at a high level, but no matter how complex you want to get with a question, you have to identify the right data to answer that question. Where's the best place to do an event? Should I do it at some kind of, hotel ballroom? Should I do it in a country club? Should I do it at a beach resort? Understanding numbers to look at that. How many potential audience will show up? How many people can actually be there that will be able to listen to your message if you're putting on an event at a certain place? Whatever it may be, you're looking for data, right? And you're identifying the data. The next video after this one, we're actually going to talk more about how to identify data in particular. But as a general rule, to answer any business question, the hardest thing to do is identify the right data. And once you identify that data, going out and getting and analyzing it, doing something with it's much easier. Which leads us to part 2. The second phase is inventorying your data. Now I say inventory because you have to put your data in a structure where you can use it over and over again. Most of us inventory our data in Microsoft Excel, which is fine. We could be using Google Sheets, we could be using, a database app, but whatever level we're doing, we want to be able to bring our data into a structure which allows us to analyze it. Again, think of Excel and pivot tables or sorting or formulas. You're doing things that help analyze that data in a structure. So whatever data you want to use for analysis, whatever you found to answer questions in your business with, you have to inventory it. I'll talk about this in a future video about how to structure your data in a way that allows you to usually inventory it. I like to think of data as like books in a library, and there's a system that tells you where in the library each book is. You want to do the same thing with your data. So the third part is integrate. So once you have the right data and you've analyzed it, then you have to have a process to do something with it. You want to be able to build reports, or you want to be able to, influence decision makers, or you want to be able to do things that will allow you to then make decisions, not just for yourself, but people in your business. If you have an organization, if you're part of a team, if you're a leader, then you want to be able to communicate the insights that you got once you inventoried and analyzed your data by integrating them into the business decision making. So that's the 3 I's. Really, it's at a high level, you have to be able to identify the right data, inventory that data, and integrate the results of your analysis into your business. If you do that, you're doing the 3 I's of analytics. So stay tuned for more videos. I'll talk about how to do the 3 T's of analytics, and we'll break down each of these steps. So be on the lookout for the next video, and I will see you all again soon.